Each season, I always try to grow something new, something different, so that I can see if I like it or if the plant likes it in the garden. And today, what I want to do is I want to showcase the black-eyed Susan vine plant that we grew. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I want to kind of share with you the black-eyed Susan vine. Now, we grew this for the first time this year. I wanted to grow this because this was like a pastel color flower. So you get this peachy color, and then I want to find another flower, kind of like a rose, more of a pinkish color. So it's kind of like a pink and then like a peach color. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but off camera you really can see more of a pink color. So we grew these from seed, and what I did was I read the reviews, and a lot of people stated that it was just a whole bunch of leaf growth and not like a whole bunch of flowers, which is true at the beginning. If you can see, we got a lot of leaf growth here, and they need heavy support. Let me show you this one. This one has actually started climbing up, okay, climbing up my moringa tree, but I am politely about to let loose and cut it down off my moringa tree. But it really does need a strong support, and if I'm not mistaken, this may be like 2 plants on one support, but we did space them properly. And yes, at the beginning, we got nothing but leaves all the way until fall, when it started to cool off, is when I noticed that now we have a lot of flower buds. But so sad, I'm going to have to pull them. I don't have any other choice. So I wanted to show you like all of the flower buds that are forming. These are all the flower buds. And so as soon as the weather started to cool down, we started to get more flowers. So I would definitely say, we're in zone 8B, coastal Georgia. I would definitely say, if I were to grow them again, I probably wouldn't grow 3. And I definitely would have to have a stronger support than the trellis that it is on. But we did start these from seed inside, but due to the fact that I see they like the cooler weather where we're at, I would probably start them a little bit earlier from seed, put them out right when spring begins, and then again, got a lot of leafy green, not leafy green, but got a lot of green leaves on there. And then when the weather cools down again in the fall, then we see that more of the flower buds are starting to form again. But I just wanted to show you all this a very nice plant, very beautiful flowers, but they prefer, for us here where we're at, they prefer the cooler weather. But I do love the colors of the flowers. They do have another black-eyed Susan vine. I don't know why I'm thinking about sweet peas, the flower, but they do have another black-eyed Susan vine that gets like the orange and the yellow and the white. But I just thought the pastel color was really something different and something pretty. So I just wanted you all to see, because it's seriously like a jungle. I'm going to zoom the camera in a little bit more. This is one plant right here, but can you see how it has vined over to what used to be the tomato cage, and now it's starting to just like take its way up. It took its way up the moringa, like it catches on to whatever it can. It did the same in this bed right here. Like they're pretty much almost up at the beginning, just vining. So if you have a space that you want a seriously aggressive climber, the black-eyed Susan plant would be for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start working one by one, clearing out these beds, and we'll take you along. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to our channel and tap the bell so that you can receive a notification each and every time we upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.